Mata ke Jan Shoban Pash ki khubor ke bina pitch mai ke mat bakong san. Belat Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ya ke jingking yat rel ke bakinjang tam ha ke pertai hajamu ber Kashmir. Thalan mukul sangmai ke sarkar halor ke all party committee ke baidai bakalenti rel. Thalan ting umukul sangmai ke sarkar baka syukur ha kabedai baka jingya kren penbet put ha pedeng ke MEGHALAYA badasan. Pedang ke UDP dak ke jing benyaw ke jing nak kam jong u Dr. Jamino Mautho. Bat pinis no umukul sangmai ke jing yap jong nong wan jong kai sora baka de daw jong ke jing kai drop ba ulakan tho halor ke jing gentai ke sarkar. Ki khubor ki babnia Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ula pelat patbai ke jengking yat rel ke bakinjang tam ha ke pertai ha ke wak cenap ha kani ke jinglet jongok ke jong u ya ke jemu bat Kashmir ula peliru ke jengking anjikat ke jengking ha cenap ke dei ke lenti yat rel ke bakinjang tam ha ke pertai ke jengking anji ke dei ke jengking ke baningkong tam ha India belate de kisainar kidei kumshi benta jong ke lenti rel Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. Kini ke lenti rel ke bajrong ar spa anyau pu ar kilometer late yakah ke jenglut ke belakot sau pusau hajar kelur tingka. Kini ke projek ke dei ke bala lak ban penpoi boarding pura bat ke bagen top ya lai pun riut li ki tunnel bat kendai spa sau pulai li ki jengking. Unong yalam jong kaliang persau Dr. Mukul Sangmau lakan thoi ke sarkar ke belayat lat ya ka jeng mon lang jong kiseng san hima halor ka mat lentirel ulama ham ka jeng thau ke komiti jong barok kiseng san hima klem ka jeng menjur lang jong barok ki parti kala ban long ka bam seiso ula banjur ba ka jeng kren ka dei ban long hapedeng kinong yalam seng san pertai haswa ban kren bat ki weipan wat hapedeng ka jeng persa ki bobon Menteri Rang Ba ulah kular ba ka komiti kan ya cakmat bagi jing temu jongka. Keseng Kongres bat VPP kilaweng no yalade nak ni ke komiti.
What I said, what is that committee? Why can't you call the leaders of the party first and sit? You have to understand who you are talking to, na? You have to understand what are the the overall issues which will crop up in the course of discussion at different level. When you are discussing with the political parties, then the way the discussion will unfold will be different. But when you discuss in a committee with all the stakeholders who have made their point very clear, that whole discussion will unfold into a different situation. So we have to go step by step and then understand what exactly is possibly possible.
Unong yalam kaliang persa umukul sangmau lakin no baka sarkar jela kala syukur dak bay lam baklai ki pat ba alor ke jing kren penbet put baka sam kham tam ha bay de baka kai pot jong sinam arajar khat ar halor ke jing penbet lakin tho baka jing bangi ki benta kum ka malang salbari rat chera bat pilang kata na ka join survey ka bakan tat ban penkesan yu Menteri Rang Ba habakan tho halor ka North Eastern Reorganization Act Umukul laong ba barok ki thanya pok United KHASI Giant Hills ba KHASI. Kadi bandrung ha ka jing kren dak babu jeng keli ya ka jing temu jong ka sarkar.
You look at the history, how lies have been weaponized to create that false perception and to benefit out of such false perception. Now, let us be clear on this whole area of difference in as far as the Assam-Meghalaya border is concerned. We talked about the overall claim reinforced by substantiating with documents.
Ka United Democratic Party kala pediang ya ka jing no kam jong Dr. Jamino Mautho ubade General Secretary. Working President ke UDP ubat Titos Khan hamba penpenai ke ni karai ulapan pau ke jing sngo benyaw halor ke jing ino kam jong u Ulaong, bu Dr. Jamino ulong yalam ubetrei hok berubala ban kring ikiwei ban kentiu kasing. Ubak titos ula pensyai bakam shim ladon kan nungka jing pejeng mut apok kasing. Ulaong bakan ni jing inok kam ke jong u ke dei nak daw shimen.
Rumut ban shifti kum u sekretari bersipol nak bentarat penyan kam jok parti.
Hapedeng ke jing tharai ke ba hiade ba ke jing yap unong wan jengok ka na endorse seorang u doktor mukul sangma ula kentu ke sarkar jela banele persya ke jing di drop kisamla. Haga ba ula keno bagi borsin syar ke mlak bantek lakam halor ke jing kai drop. Ula ther ting ke jing slam ban pendat ki CCTV kamera bat ula bo jing keli halor ke jing bembiang ki bor pahara po ar pesau kentar. Ula kentho bagi jing persang hipor beladeb kum ke Shillong ke Besong Shngan bat ka MRSSA umukul ula kam baka jing petrekam kham haswa kala ban penkela ya ki jing ni.
Now, unfortunately, do you have that kind of infrastructural support which was embarked upon during the time? Do you see even the police stations are not covered by round the clock 24/7 CCTV? This CCTV will help the authorities to know abnormal movement of people, abnormal movement of vehicles. So have confidence and faith in the overall capability of the law enforcing agencies of the state, and then people will automatically look at Meghalaya as yes, it is safe and secure.
Dr. Mukul sang mala dawa bentok kit bat ban pelong exam biang kat nak pulit dak bakeno bakadon ka jing sya liang. Hak bedai bakajing penbenar blami hakan rio trik ulber usang mau loong bakani kelapen ken ki kendon jong Meghalaya Police Act arhajar shipho bat kerukom tungkam ka bakhuit besuba. Ulakan thoru baka Central Recruitment Board kabla ailat ki candidate ban kerpat ban pha ki jing penpet hadin baladap ban yele ke exam.
This guideline must be the guiding force. The whole mandate comes from this guideline. This guideline is based on the transparent recruitment policy adopted by the Meghalaya Police. And this transparent recruitment policy is also a binding requirement as per the mandate of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. I'll be writing to the chairman of the CRB, Meghalaya Police, to this effect, to ensure that this whole examination process in as far as the written examination for this recruitment for different categories of posts is concerned must be reconducted.
Co-office Jong ka Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Sarkar Meghalaya kalapan long ka program ban pinshay ka bay bat ka an jong ka hok jong ki brio ki bidon jing dunah ki dukot met lani ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act arhajar khat rio bat kalat ban yo rung ha ka Memorial Institute of Integral Training dan gati. Kani ketemu ban wan ra ka jing tip ya ka rai jong ka Supreme Court ka mukot duma WP number nyos paksan jong snam arhajar arpusau. U Principal Secretary jong katnat Social Welfare usampat kumar ulabatai halor ka jing sedang ka jela ban kentup ke Unique State Resource Center on Disability. Pelabay tengkada ke jela malau snem.
Mr. Ahmed J, for who actually have founded the mission accessibility in Delhi and who contributed significantly in terms of bringing a lot of policies that that enable persons with disability to really lead equal life like any of us, any of us.
Ha ka jing twa khando badang shan hajan maulas nai bat sau dorbar kabla bo jema ka jing ke ka badon ka surok maulas nai terso kabla penlong ki bor badi khmi ban sha ki kali he ban ya na ka jing ki he jong katna PWD Bhoirambong Division pat ki nong ilam snong klale khmi ya kni ka jaka ha ka bakila bo ke jing ka ban manai ki nong nya kali hadien ka jing twa khando ki bor badi khmi ki laong bakan shimpor shi benai ban maramot ya kni ka jing Ka Sorkar Jilla kala kular ya KHASI Joint Deficit School Teachers Association baka jingweng kam no ya karukom tre kam ki deficit school kan keta ikinong hikai bamenta ki bahap po ke scheme. Hadin ke jingelang balalam khmat da commissioner but secretary jong katanat puliputhi Vijay Mantri u president ke KGD STA uba AM Lingwa ula penting pakai Sorkar Jilla kalau ada pensyai ki pos jengki deficit pat minta on sa pensangnya no hadien ke jing syong that kinong hikai berminta. Kat baka association kalau kerpat ya ke jing penek ke rukom trekam ki deficit.
Tahi ya kini ki existing deficit school teachers kendang nyate. But nda hadien mengiritaya kita pos cuma ke bahadian kan nem desuk kan ke deficit. Kasing dia hakajing sisa ngikwa hi bahkan continue ni persang ni banyak friend yang ada tambah nakal yang zombie kila pergi pada yang ki babun kiba lesekan khamha
Ka jingyap jong ka kong pinche bare kalong kami ka ba armet na ka shnong jalapet Maternal Child Health Hospital hajawai kebelajar ka Southrik ujeliu kalapen long ben ujo daka ijahar dah ka bakeno bakadon ka jing turmur hakrukom ai jing sumar kalong gieng kala ujo da ka ijahar da ka bakam bakinong tre jong hospital kim ai ka jing sumar ka babiang baru asisngi ka bawan ra ka jing yap kani ka jing yap kala penlong ka Giant Students Union par ka MEGHALAYA Indigenous Women's Council ban pan jing kershan.
On similar lines, once this inquiry gets concluded, we are going to chair again a meeting with regard to finding of the lacunas or the gaps which are there with regard to the MCH hospital or with regard to other health facilities also. And on the basis of that, our recommendation will be put forward.
Ka Office Jong Usap Divisional Education Officer Eastern West KHASI Hills ringkat ka jing trelang bat kitna prepare kala penlong capacity building and training program ka baar sngi halor ka PM Portion Scheme hamairang. Kani ka program ka thmu ban penbiang ya kinong hikai school na mairang bat Mouth Dashan block da ka jing tip babnya halor ka jing pentrekam ya ka midday meal pan bhai ka jing bam jong ki khna.
Primary na school. Sa kabang siya bagay na schools.
Minta ini pet ya jing long jaman kasubning hatura ka jing kreat kalong 8 degree Celsius ba jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw meta ka sing kalong nru pasauna ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong iway millimeter. Hapapai pat shanong ba shalong ka jing krat kalong 100 degree Celsius ka jing shit kalong 8.0 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw meta ka si kalong prapusaw na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong iway 0.9 millimeter kat bahajawai pat ka jing krat kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw meta ka si kalong prapuway na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong iway 0.9 millimeter kala bano ka jing hap slap ka jing tiru pertat ki kat tu kan ni jaka hatura jawai bat shalong. Shawan Posh bukut jang thup kubor ye pe biang se ni kemat bekongsan. Pelat Menteri Rang Baduk Keri Narendra Modi ke jingking yat rel ke bakinjang tam ha ke Perthai ha Jammu Kashmir. Thalan umukul sangmai ke Sorkar halor ke All Party Committee ha ke baidai pa kalinti rel. Talanting umukul sangmai ke Sorkar baka syukur ha ka baidai pa kajing keren penbet kut ha pedeng ka MEGHALAYA pada sam. Pediang ka UDP dah kajing penyau ya kajing no kam jong Dr. Jaminu Mauto. Bat penyas no umukul sangma kajing yap jong unong wan jong kai sora baka dei ka daw jong kajing kai drop bat ula kento halor kajing gentat ke Sorkar. Ti perlu ketung lapoy sa bukut jong thup bor jing mata ka janmiet hadu mi di syambiang bat pila syai ka singi kublai pi paro.